RedHotBreaks.com. This is Stars and Stripes 5-box break number 3. The last 5 out of the case. eBay break is going to start ending any second here. Let me double this up. So Clyde has 2, Alan has 2, and Bo has 1 spot. Times 2. There we go. There might be buttons left. How do you know there's no buttons left? 10.
And that one has a box, so it won't go in anyways.
All right, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. Alan on top, Bo on the bottom. And the numbers, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 2 on top, 4 on the bottom. Okay, so Alan 2, Taxi Hank 3, UW 5, Taxi 0, Alan 9, Alan 7, Hank 8, Alan 6, Hank 1, and Bo with the 4.
Give me one more for Shelly. Let's put number 2 on it.
Here we go. Good luck. In your usual spot. Well, it doesn't really. The 4 was on the bottom last time, too. Shelly had the 4 and dominated.
I'll be good now, because you'll be going out there to catch up with you. I haven't been so long.
We can put these back in that box. I'm going to put that box away. Okay, box number 1. We need a 1-1, DJ. That's all we've been missing out of this case. Ryan Weathers, 76. Boy, these are hard to see. 76 of 499. 6 spot, Alan P. Welcome back, Alan. Welcome back. Yeah, one of them 0 Cokes or whatever would be great.
I'm good, thanks.
Box number 2. Nope, that was the same one. Pack number 2. 99 of 199. Will Banfield. Alan with the 9. The Niner. Got a 9 and a 6 so far. Keaston Hiura. 1 of 10. Hank. Nice one there. Collegiate National Team.
4 for Bo.
1 of 10. Hanker. And John Olson. 368 of 499. Taxi Hank 8. Hank got to 3, 0, 8, and 1.
Yeah.
Got him? Oh, coolness! Look at this. Nomar Garciaparra.
Cool.
5 of 25, Bo. That is a sweet hit right there. Bo with the 5. Nice hit. 5 of 25. That's pretty cool right there, DJ. Yes, ma'am. I don't either. I don't remember. I don't remember. Ooh, number to 6. Cheng Chi Wu. Cheng Chi Wu. 6 of 6. Who had the 6? Alan. Sweet. Oh, he even put his number on there. Check that out. How cool is that, DJ?
Yeah. If that's his number, maybe that's the finishing touches to his name.
Well, it could be. That's the first bet from the case, yes. 6.
All right, here we go. I'm caught up now. 6.
8. 1. 6. 5. 9. Yeah, that's a cool card, Alan. I don't think I did it as global. I don't know, Ann. I can't remember. What's it matter? Box 2. These people in this global shipping, it drives me crazy. I mean,
I've never changed it, so I probably have on, but I just never.
The global shipping, the problem is like, I got smoked from Canada one time by not doing it, you know?
Right.
It's hard to not do it.
No, I agree with what you're saying. Yeah.
Why do you ask that question, Bo? I know I did not do the global shipping on the hockey for Wednesday. It's the only answer I can give you.
Because of all that.
Because of that, because we end up refunding, doing everything else, so I just did it with no global shipping. Jared, who's this? Jared Kellenick. 181 of 499. Going to the 1, Hank. It is. I mean, it's not bad if it's in an envelope, but
Box bang.
yeah.
Is that a 7?
I don't know what this is, DJ. Just randomly
181.
checklist for some reason. Upside down in there. Michael Brooks. 80 of 99. 0 spot. Hank. Zero. And Landon Marcero. Or Marseille. I don't know how you say that. DJ, how do you say that? 12 of 25. Marceaux.
Marceau, probably Canadian. Yeah.
2 of 20. 12 of 25. Alan! Really? Deuce. Hey. Yeah. I don't know. Weird. 1 of 89. Seth Beer. Is that 1 or 81? I guess it don't matter. 81. Still going to the 1 spot. Hank. Seth Beer. One spotter. Ryan Weathers, 009 to 499, 9 spot. Alan. I don't know. I never thought of that.
Hey, I got the Orioles tonight.
You won a team.
Yeah.
Wow, you're back.
I went on the high end on the Orioles there. And I actually got them for cheap.
Number to 25, 21 of 25, 1 spot. Hank again. Tyler Fullman. Oh, nice patch there. Tyler Fullman, 21 of 25. Tell you, Hank comes in and just cleans up, don't he?
Yeah.
I know the 1's hot. 4 was hot in last case. 1 is hot in this case. Other than Bo got that smoking No More Garcia Parra.
What number was that?
5.
That's cool, and it's a young looking.
Yeah, it's like his reprint card or
Yeah.
something from when he was on Team USA. I don't know how many. I mean, obviously we've only opened 1 case of this, but there's a lot of vet autos and. Okay, here we go. Box number 3. 75 of 99. The 5 went to Bo. Back on the board. Michael Brooks. I could open this stuff all night. Four of 25. Andrew Vaughn. 4 spot went to Bo. And Nick Madrigal. 430 of 499 going to the 0 spot. Clyde. I can do as many you guys want to do. J-Row, no problem. I mean, I'll list all kinds of stuff like this. Hagen Danner, 5 of 25. Bo, 5's heating up, TJ.
And Bo has it.
Nice patch. Hagen Danner.
Bo needs to come golfing with us.
If Bo came to the National, we could get a golf tee time, too, up around the Cleveland area, I'm sure, huh? I don't look for Deadhead to do much golfing, but... Alex Thomas. 5 of 5 green. Wow, Bo is heating up.
Another
5 of 5. Alec Thomas. 18 and under national team. What's up, Brad? Alec Thomas. 5 of 5. Bo on fire. And number 8, Brandon Detler. No, Brandon Dieter. 6 of 8. Who had the 6? Allen. Oh, another tag, DJ. 3 tags in this case. Brandon Dieter. Nice one, Allen. 6 of 8. Yeah, there is a bunch of hits in this stuff, yes. Nice one, Allen. 6 spot. Brian Thomas. Number to 25. 21 of 25. The 1, Cole Wilcox. Ooh, there's a nice patch. Four color for Hank. Cole Wilcox. 1. 2 left. eBay ending right now for the finest. Do not forget. Grab your teams. We haven't broke any finest in a while. It was time to put some more in the store, wasn't it, DJ?
Yeah.
It was time.
Get it rolling.
Whoops. What the heck did I do that for? $69 of 99. Johnny Aiello. Allen with the 9. Jared Kelenic. 155 of 499. Going to the 5. You know who, DJ. Old Bo.
Get a full box already.
5er, Jared Kelenic. Number 269. 19 of 69. Cole Wilcox. Allen. Another gold auto for you. Cole Wilcox. Another thick one right there. We'll save it for last. 58 of 299. Anthony Siegler. Taxi Hank. Red auto. Going to the 8. $58. All we don't have is a 101. Of course, we had a number to 5. 139 of 199. 9 spot. Allen. Joseph Menifee. I don't know that there's a product with this many good hits in it all year besides this stuff, is there? Huh?
I mean, you can't beat it, really.
Number 225. 21 of 25. Hank again. Davis Diaz. Wow, nice patch on there. 15 and under. Boy, he looks like he's 20.
Oh.
Probably played Little League when he was. Davis Diaz going to the 1 spot.
Yeah, it's probably his Little League pitcher.
Might be 15 and under. I mean, you can't be over 50. You can't. These were probably produced at least a year ago. One thing about this serial number break, the way you do it this way, everybody gets 2. Nobody gets smoked. Everybody gets some decent cards. Alan, maybe we need to do a case like this with National Treasures. 2 serial numbers per spot. I need to buy some 2015 National Treasures. Or 2016. I can get it way cheaper than the other stuff. .006 of 199. Connor Pilkington. 6 spot went to Allen. Bo says the 4 spot needs to heat up, DJ. Blaine Enlow, 36 of 199. 6 spot was Allen. 2 6s in a row, DJ. 3 packs to go. .057 of 199. 7 went to Allen. Tyler Frank. White napkin. Does the 4 spot not have a card, DJ?
That's one.
It has one, Bo. 57
It's
of
not an
190.
auto though. He does not have an auto.
16, is it 18 of 25. Sean Weimer. 8 spot. Hank. And Nick Madrigal. 449 of 499. Alan's caught some fire here in this last box. You were getting pizza and missed some? Niner. Last one! Patch auto. Number to 25. 9 of 25. Alan, you definitely caught fire in this last one. Alejandro Rosario. Ooh. Sweet patch right there. That might be off his name tag maybe, huh?
Looks like it, yeah.
That's cool. Nine of 25. Nice way to end it. Okay, redhotbreaks.com. That was Stars and Stripes 5-boxer number 3. See ya.